Are mechanical keyboard keycaps universal? 6 superb guides about that you should know about it. Work Rift. Don't forget to subscribe to win $25 merch. How to choose the right keycaps for mechanical keyboard. When choosing the keycaps that you should use, think about the type of keyboard you use. For instance, if you prefer gaming, then you may want to stick with more sensitive keycaps. First, you should check the compatibility of every single keycap before purchasing them. Another thing you need to keep in mind is the color scheme of your current keyboard. If you've decided which keycaps you want to buy, then you will probably need to know where to shop. One final tip is to make sure that the keycaps you're considering are compatible with your existing keyboard.